Hey guys, Tony back with another update here on the old scrap cart. We're throwing it together again for my nephews. This is part two. I did a little bit of work to it. I've got a 6-horse motor on it because we're hauling 2 people, so I figured that'd be enough. Old tires still, but like I said, this is not going to be, it's not supposed to be designed to be pretty. It's just going to get them to learn the functions of a go-kart. I lowered the steering wheel, dropped it way down low, moved it way back, chopped it off from here, moved it up here, lowered it down, extended the shaft to bring it back, and moved the brake pedal. Like I said, not the prettiest. I'm just using old scrap parts to do this here, but that definitely, it's all working good. I'm gonna do the gas pedal next. I'm gonna cut a hole in the floor, mount it right here. I'm gonna put a piece of tin over the floor right here to rest their feet on. Maybe even put a little something between it so their feet don't bounce around. I'm getting the wheels on now. Just trying to give you a little overall view here, but it's coming along. I'm hoping we should get some warm weather coming right up. Get this cart out, play around in the mud. These kids learn how to drive. So I'll post another one when it's pretty much done and running. I got to repost the seat. That's what I got to do. Plywood's all rotted out underneath here, so I got to cut a new piece and get something to cover that with. Like I said, I want to do this low budget. This is just a learning toy for them. They'll be ready to jump in their race carts here. Only got 8 or 9 weeks, I think, till practice day, so I got a lot of work to do. But any questions, comments, likes, whatnot, just let me know. I appreciate it. Thanks.